The US Treasury yield has been falling, and we want to look at US government 2 year bond yield. The bond yield made a dramatic and unexpected reversal on Thursday, and that has pushed an urgent demand for SAU USD, reinforcing it as a safe haven in terms of geopolitical tension. And gold has come to stay. It will remain the standard of backing brick currency. So we see here the yield dropped from 4.09 to close. Yield dropped from 4.09 to 3.945 close of yesterday market. So that dramatic drop has really given SAU USD a push. If you go back to check SAU USD chart, by the drop at this level is a retest, a broken structure. What structure was broken? You can see it. The price broke retest, came back again on retest, and you can see the structure here. Can you see the structure? This is the structure that was broken. This is the structure. So let's get it the way it should be. Support structure. This is what it is. So it's not horizontal, it's inclined at an angle. So we will talk of trend angle in inner cycle, not something we discuss here. How it can be used to in line with your daily candle strategy, to give you a more clearer direction to price. So you see as the yield is going down, SAU USD buy sentiment increases and DXY suddenly start making a turn as well. All these are happening amidst all central banks looking at cutting rates. The Bank of England, BOE, a very poor data report today, and GJ has reacted in line with the fundamental analysis of Bank of England. So most likely all central banks will be cutting rates. So if Federal Reserve, Bank of England, they all do the same, it's most likely that SAU will see a significant push. So we have a very clean structure. Support structure, break of a support structure, retest, retest, and prices dropping in line with the structure. This is daily time frame analysis. And let's look further, a dive into to see where else we can see a broken structure. We have here support structure, support structure, support structure, break of a support structure, retest. This is a daily time frame. So we're on daily, and we're on daily. So let's see what she does. So we have our zone. So we expect that the bond should pick up. If the bond picks up based on the structure, then we could be seeing a drop for SAU USD. This is the structure for the US government 2 year bond yield. So let's see what happens here. Support structure, support structure, support structure, break of a support structure, retest, structure broken, retest, a demand floor, a demand descending trend line broken becomes a resistance structure, supply, sell. When price return, it broke the structure, return back to demand, and when price return again, broke the structure and return on supply, and the structure is broken again. So I expect that US government bond 2-year bond yield should close the weekly rally in buy based on the structure. Price should return. But let's look out if we have more confidence to our arguments. We have here another support structure on daily. So we have here another structure, but I prefer here on daily. I prefer here on daily. So price might dip itself into here and reject and return to this level based on the descending trend line acting as support, resistance, support, support, break of support, resistance, break of resistance, support. So price, the yield, government yield, 2-year bond yield should see a push. Should see a push. The yield has been falling since May. Yield has dropped from 5.030 to 3.55 each low. Then price picked up and we are seeing a significant push. So when price came to retest a broken structure, it came on a retest at the supply zone. So we want to see a push back to this level. And we'll be expecting that we have here resistance structure, resistance structure, resistance structure, break out of a resistance structure, retest. So let's see what she does here. You can see it. You can see it clearly. You can see it. Break out of a resistance structure, retest, retest, retest. So let's see what the yield does. And we also look at DXY to see the current price action of DXY. We want to see what she's doing. So for now, this is what we have for the bond yield. So it is important to see how the SY bond yield, US bonds are reacting. Their price action technically have effect in the behavior of markets. Because exactly on Thursday when the yield bond faced resistance, gold upswinged immediately at that price action. Gold upswinged. So we'll keep an eye to see what it brings at the end of the day. So this is the structure we have. We have here another structure. We have here another clean structure which have done its thing. Again, you can see. So we also expect price to return here if price makes its way. So even the bond yield followed market structure. The US government bond yield follow market structure. You cannot be wrong when you follow market structure. It can never be wrong. So you have a resistance structure, break of resistance structure, price enter demand. So price bought, continuous buying, break of the structure, retest a demand floor, now turn supply roof, and price has sold out. So this is another nice structure. So we want price to return to this level for retest. We are looking for a second retest on this level for the bond yield. So if you're into bond, and this would be a nice place to wait. To be a nice place to wait for the US government 2-year bond yield. So Sir Jeremiah Powell and his team might be looking at rate cut again. Not just them, Bank of England will be looking at rate cut as well. So the US Treasury yield is falling, and on structural, we see the bond is also dropping. We had a bond drop from May to date, and the price action is not bad. It's not bad. So this is what we'll have for US 02Y. Shavi. US 02Y.